In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find your phone number on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram and get into your profile. Then right here tap at 3 lines and select settings. You will be taken to this page where you can easily find account, and then just tap at the very top where it says personal information. That will show you your personal information, including email, phone, and birthday. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.